and welcome to this tutorial on Introduction to Site Reliability Engineering. Today, we'll demystify SRE by looking at what site reliability engineering is, how it differs from traditional operations and DevOps, and why metrics like SLOs and error budgets are the backbone of reliability. Let's dive in. Site reliability engineering, or SRE, was pioneered by Google to bridge the gap between development and operations. But how does it differ from traditional IT ops? In traditional ops, teams focus on keeping systems running, often manually fighting fires. SRE flips this. It applies software engineering principles to operations. Think automation, measurable reliability, and proactive problem solving. For example, Google's SRE teams spend less than 50% of their time on repetitive tasks. Instead, they automate them away by building scalable, resilient systems. In plain terms, SRE is all about keeping websites, applications, and systems up and running smoothly, even when traffic spikes or something goes wrong. Now, you may have heard of DevOps, another buzzword in the tech world. So, what's the difference between SRE and DevOps? You might ask, isn't SRE just DevOps under a different name? Not quite. While both aim to align Dev and Ops, SRE is more prescriptive. It quantifies reliability using engineering rigor. DevOps is a cultural philosophy like breaking silos, CI/CD, and collaboration. While SRE is its implementation, tools like error budgets and SLOs turn DevOps goals into measurable outcomes. For example, an SRE might say, our API must be 99.95% available this quarter. Whereas, DevOps ensures the team collaborates to hit that target. Let's break down the core SRE metrics. 1. SLA, which stands for Service Level Agreement, the contract with users, often stricter than SLOs. Missing it could mean penalties. 2. SLO, which stands for Service Level Objective, your reliability target. 99.9% uptime over 30 days. 3. SLI, which stands for Service Level Indicator, a measurable value, like uptime or latency. Example, HTTP requests per second. 4. Error budgets. This is the allowable amount of downtime or failures within a given period, based on the difference between 100% uptime and the agreed service level objective, SLO. For example, if your SLO is 99.9% uptime per month, your error budget is 0.1% downtime, which translates to 43.2 minutes of downtime allowed. If you have exceeded your error budget, this would be a good time to pause risky changes until reliability improves. So, what does a site reliability engineer's day look like? SREs focus on things like monitoring and alerting, to detect when things go wrong. Incident response, jumping in quickly when a system fails. Automation, writing scripts or tools to avoid doing things manually. Performance tuning, making sure systems run faster and more efficiently. Capacity planning, ensuring systems can handle future growth. And most importantly, balancing reliability with innovation, so teams can release new features without breaking everything. To recap, in this lesson, we now understand what SRE is and why it matters. Compare SRE with traditional IT operations and the broader DevOps movement. Recognize the critical role SREs play in keeping systems reliable, fast, and scalable, even under pressure. To help you reinforce what you've learned and explore more advanced lessons, please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.